Good morning, everyone. My name is Shengiwe Mtetwa. I am from NECT. I'm the KZN Lead District Change Agent. I work with all the districts and I have my colleagues who are deployed in the districts. So I'm really happy that we are here as a partner of the department. And I think this workshop was really very important that we meet with the department as partners and talk about the improvement in reading and mathematics, which is actually, the core business. In fact, that's the foundation. If that is not well built, all other subjects can suffer. So the workshop really spoke at length about the alignment of the plans horizontally and vertically, and how each one can contribute in terms of the strategies to improve the reading and maths. And as NECT, we are working closely with the department to ensure that the plans are there and the discussions, went as far as talking about the implementation of those plans and the monitoring of those plans and the capacitation that is needed for, at different levels for the SMTs to ensure that the plans are implemented, that there is close monitoring. I think the discussions from here are really going to give direction to the districts and everyone else to make sure that we really see the improvement. We want to see the improvement. We don't want the same results in terms of the performance of the learners in reading for meaning. We got the PERS results 2021 that 81% of learners cannot read for meaning. That's not good, and it's true that they write their PERS this year. So we are hopeful that we are going to see the improvement with all the strategies that are in place and are implemented.